Good day, everyone. My name is Tabisile Mweniso from Western Cape. I'm here today to represent Triple M. What is Triple M? Triple M, it's not a company, it's not an investment, it's not the place where you create the profit. Triple M, it's a financial aid system. It's a peer-to-peer system. That's where people are helping each other through using their bank accounts. How do you become a Triple M member? You become a Triple M member by registering on their site. Once you register, then you become a Triple M member. What do you need to be a Triple M member? You need to have an email address, you need to have a bank account, you need to have a cell phone number. Triple M needs the people who are honest in order for it to sustain. Once you get there, once you register, you got everything that are just listed now, you go to register, then you become a Triple M member. After that, you get your own personal office. That's where you provide help to the other people and get help from the other people. You donate the money that you have as a spare money. You do not donate every money that you have. You just donate the spare money that you are having. To do that, you on your personal office, there is an PH and get help and GH. GH, that's where you get an assistance from the other members. PH, that's where you providing assistance from the other members. You PH, it start from 100 Rand upwards, whatever you have. Then when you PH, you generate 30% interest monthly. If you are a new member, which is the first member, it's your first time to PH, you get 30% again as a registration bonus. In order for you to get that 30% as a registration bonus, you don't have to take your money. You need to wait till you finish the month on your capital amount. If you withdraw the capital amount, then you're not going to get your 30% as a registration bonus. When you recruit people, like you recruit a community member or your relative, you get 10% as a referral bonus. That money get credited on your Mavros. Then whenever you wanted the money, you can withdraw the money. Once you get help, you on your dispatch, you get people that are going to deposit the money into your account. You can communicate to those people by messaging each other, by calling each other. Triple M is there to help us. It's there to make us financial free, to make us financial sustainable. It gets us out of the debts. Some people are debt free now. People who are used to not getting any cent from their salaries because of the debts that are in. But through Triple M, people are financial free. Together we can make change. Thank you.